won the golden ticket. Oh, what a delight! A delight! A train ride awaits us under the golden light. The golden light. Gray and white kitten in his jeans so blue, with mother a white furred cat, her dress pink and true. Chug, chug, the train goes on through lush green hills in the morning dawn. Luxury around us, we laugh and play, unaware of the terror on its way. A black-coated cat with a glowing green flask, eyes hidden beneath, what a haunting mask. He spills the liquid, it seeps in the floor. The train awakens, not a train anymore.
A shadow falls as the moonlight fades. The air turns cold, the train invades. Its teeth-lined mouth, its glowing green eyes. The beast awakens to all surprise.
Growl, growl, the beast's alive. You a sharp rat. Run, run, you must survive. Howling's Talocrit's dumbest. Its tongue drips red, its venom flows. A monstrous hunger, destruction it slows. The kitten stumbles, his tears cascade. His jeans are torn, and he's so afraid. He looks to his mother, her voice rings clear. Hold on tight, my love, I'm here. The train lunges forth with a deafening sound. Its red tongue lashes, melting the ground. Its legs move fast, its hunger burns. Through the chaos, the battlefield churns. Run, run, the kitten screams, but its breath devours, it haunts his dreams. Its glowing eyes, its monstrous might, a beast that thrives in endless night. The mother stands tall, her dress in shreds. She shields her kitten as the monster treads. With soldiers near, their weapons raised, the beast awakens to all surprise. The mother stands tall, her dress in shreds. She shields her kitten as the monster treads. With soldiers near, their weapons raised, the beast awakens to all surprise. The bulls arrive. Roar, roar, the beast falls down, its terror fades, no more to drown. The day saved, the nightmare ends, peace restored as the dawn ascends. Faith at last beneath the sky so clear, he smiles the bond so dear. Tear with the tiller, through the pain, they walk together, no fear remains. Her mother stands tall, her dress in shreds. The train devours, it haunts his dreams. Its glowing eyes, its monstrous might, a beast that thrives in endless night. Run, mother stands tall, her dress in shreds. She shields her kitten as the monster treads. With soldiers near, their weapons raised, a fiery battle, the beast is faced. The mother stands tall, her dress in shreds. She shields her kitten as the monster treads. With soldiers near, their weapons raised, a beast that thrives in endless night. The mother stands tall, the ground shakes below as she shields her kitten as the monster treads. With soldiers near, their weapons raised, a fiery battle, the beast is faced. The mother stands like the ground shakes below as train roars like birds face below. The train roars loud, its engines slow, a final murderous round. A beast that comes to the soldier's mind, aligned with right.